Sportsman's Table is brought to you by the South Carolina Department of Agriculture. Whether you live in South Carolina or out of state, be sure to buy South Carolina grown meats, vegetables, and fruits. Make sure your food is South Carolina certified. It's a matter of taste.
Joining me for the City Center Market Kitchen in downtown Florence is the chef today, I tell you what, and the owner of Julia Belle's restaurant, Fran Snell. And I tell you what, she's got something I know you all are going to love, a barbecue southern egg roll. Fran,
That's right.
Thank you so much for being here today. What a big hunk of meat, huh?
There you go. Well, Bob, thank you for the invitation. I just want to let you all know that this is South Carolina sourced Boston butt, and today we're going to do a Carolina Gold pulled pork barbecue egg roll.
Oh, I can't wait. Okay, what's the first step?
So the first thing we're going to do is put our secret spices on the butt.
On the butt. Rub him in good.
Rub it in. Woo!
And folks, if you want a copy of Fran's recipe, just log on to bobredfern.com.
And because we're going to put this in the oven, we're going to put a little water in here.
Okay.
And it's going to help to keep it moist.
I got you.
And to steam it.
Now, you guys are used to doing this at the restaurant.
We sell a lot of these. It's one of my most popular items on our menu.
Oh, my gosh.
So the next step would be to cover this with foil, and then we're going to pop that in the oven.
Okay, well, I tell you what, we could pop it in the oven. I'll open it, and then we'll add the foil once we get it ready to go.
So we want to take the barbecue sauce and put it on
Okay,
to the pulled pork.
I got it all stirred up. How much you want?
Let's just keep going until it looks like it's going to make everybody happy.
You know, I love cooking that way. you know it when you see it.
I think let's try that. Let's see if that's going to
Okay.
be enough. Okay, so
All
we're going
right.
to take this and just kind of toss it a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
And right now that pulled pork actually has a really good flavor, so you could do some other things with it at this point before putting the barbecue sauce on there. But today we're making the Carolina Gold pulled pork barbecue egg rolls.
Oh, wow.
You know what? Let's put one more little scoop in there.
All right, I can do that. Yeah, gosh.
There you go.
I love it when I can contribute. There
You
go.
were doing great.
Yeah. All right, Fran, we've got, I tell you what, pulled pork in barbecue, smoke. That is a mustard base.
That is right.
Okay,
Yes.
and what's next?
So next we're going to take a little bit of the pulled pork barbecue.
Okay.
And these are just an egg roll wrapper. You can buy these at the grocery store. I put a little flour on the table to keep it from sticking to the table.
Okay.
You're going to lay it out kind of, cigar style
Yeah.
size right there.
So it's easy to roll.
You want to put it a little closer to the bottom end.
Okay. That's a Julia Belle's technique. There you go.
And we're just going to take it and roll them over.
Oh,
here.
that's great.
Roll the ends up, tuck those in.
Wow.
So there's one ready.
Okay.
We'll do it again.
Now,
on
you
another.
guys sell a lot of these at the restaurant, don't you?
We sell a lot of these. These are on our appetizer menu, and we've just recently started doing a lot more items on our menu, so we have a lot of exciting things. We have the barbecue egg rolls.
And then we're going to put them, I'll move this out of the way, we can pop them right there, and we're getting ready to take those over to the deep fat fryer.
That's right. These are going to fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. You just want them to get nice and golden brown. And you pop them out of the fryer, drain the grease off, and you would be good to go.
Well, Fran, listen, we go from pulled pork to these to now this.
That's right, Bob. So here you have it. You've got your Carolina Gold pulled pork barbecue egg rolls available at Julia Belle's restaurant.
Oh, goodness. Fran, thank you so much for being a guest today on the show. It's been a pleasure.
It has been my pleasure. Thank you, sir. I sure do appreciate it.
Well, thank you. And folks, if you'd like to experience more great recipes like you saw on today's Sportsman's Table, stop in downtown Florence at Julia Belle's. Hey, listen, Southern egg rolls are in your future, or log on to CertifiedSCGrown.com and see what's fresh on the menu for yourself. We'll be right back here again next week with another great recipe on the Sportsman's Table.
To find out more information on food that's fresher and tastier, go online at CertifiedSCGrown.com. Buy certified South Carolina grown products. It's a matter of taste.